Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to know about those emergency numbers which we should have to be in our free dialogue can be helpful with us in an emergency situation. So what are those numbers? Let's understand to them. First one is the number 012066195540. It is a national scholarship portal help desk for technical aspects. Here you will get to know about scheme, guidelines, scholarship application, current status of your application, institute information, payment status and other technical problems. Second number is 1947. It is a UIDAI helpline number, which is Unique Identification Authority of India helpline number, which help you to assistance related to your Aadhaar related issue, such as enrollment or update status, verifying number, or resolve Aadhaar related problems. Third one is 18002581800. It is a passport seva for national helpline number where you get information, suggestion on passport services, and you will get your nearest passport seva kendra what is nearest to you. Next number is 04066720567. Well, it is a paid number for the Jammu and Kashmir to know your passport status. Here you can track your passport status. Next one is 04066720581. It is for northeastern states to track your passport status. Next is 1800110396. It is a PM Daksh helpline number. It means Pradhan Mantri Dakshta or Kaushalta Sampan Hit government scheme. Here, which is launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, which aims to empower marginalized sections of society for providing them skill development training and lead to them to improve employability and income generation. Number is 101120893999, or at the end you can 14567 instead of 39999. It is a senior citizens helpline number. It is a vision of Fenderline which is to connect and engage with senior citizens and serve them in a compensate manner. Next one is 14456. It is a person with disabilities number of the NDIHS, which is National Disability Information Helpline Service, which helped you to disability related information on causes, prevention, diagnosis, interventional treatment, aids and appliances. Education, employment, service provides list, government schemes and other concessions. Next one is 139. It is a railway security or medical assistance helpline number which provide you quick grievance redressal and inquiry during your railway journey. Next one is 1800111363. It is a tourist helpline number which provides support service in terms of providing information to the travel and tourism in India to the domestic and international tourists, and it also advise the callers of action which you should have to be taken in terms of situation which you are facing while traveling in India. If required, it can also alert to the concerned authorities. If 10920, it is a Shakti Shalini helpline number where an organization provides support to women who is in distress and provides support over phone. The next one is 01124619821. It is a Shakti Women's Helpline number which provide a necessary support to women who are facing physical, sexual abuse or a classification or representation in the terms of age, class, caste or education status, martial status, race and culture. Next one is 181. It is a domestic violence helpline number. It is a very confidential health service for women and child who are facing domestic violence. And one is 1098. It is a child helpline number. And next one is 14433. It is National Human Rights Commission NHRC, which report human rights violence, and you also can get advice from related to the human rights. Next one is 1091 and 1096. The helpline number for anti-obscene call cell, where you can report the crime against women. Again, next one is 1800112100. It is a FSSAI help desk, which is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, which helps to resolve all your concerns related to food, including for lodging of complaints related to the food. If there are adulteration in market, then also you can report FSSAI by this helpline number. All are the helpline numbers which you should have to know. And thank you.